to EstroWorks, your all-in-one employee management system. Let's start with the sign-up page. Click on Sign Up and you'll see two options. Personal Use Organization. For this demo, we'll choose Organization. Enter your email, organization name, and other required information. Click Register to create your account. Now go to the Sign-In page, enter your credentials, and you'll land on the EstroWorks dashboard. Once inside, you'll find everything you need to manage your organization efficiently. Organization details. Add, update, and monitor all team members. Attendance. Track employee check-ins and checkouts in real time. Clients. Manage client information and associated projects. Projects. Assign work, set deadlines, and track project progress. Office complaints. Log and resolve workplace issues. Software complaints. Report bugs or technical problems. Holidays. Add and view upcoming official holidays. Leave requests. Approve or reject employee leave applications. Office alerts. Send out real-time announcements to your staff. Daily logs. Maintain a daily activity record from your team. Now switching to the employee dashboard, a clean and focused interface for every employee. Here's what employees can access. Dashboard overview. Get a summary of your daily, weekly, and monthly activity. Attendance. Check in and check out using location-based tracking. View your monthly attendance summary and overtime records leave section. Apply for leave in just a few clicks. See your salary structure, including basic pay, allowances, deductions, and net pay projects. Stay updated on assigned tasks, deadlines, and status progress report. Track your personal performance, task completion, and work updates with EstroWorks. Managing your organization and employees becomes smooth, transparent, and effortless.